Welcome to Violin Adventures number 28. This week will be just a little bit different. It's more of a peek into the shop, seeing all kinds of different things being done on the harp and the violin. Hope you enjoy. Next, we need to take the ribs out of the mold and get them ready to attach to the back. Okay, the mold comes out of the ribs. Here we're attaching the lining to the ribs. Meanwhile, the violin is drying. We need to go over and work on the harp. Okay, you guys, after a couple hours of work, we've got the two stars finished, and those are all the tools I used to carve it out. This is something different you might not know about. We use a handmade wooden pin on each end of the back and the top to hold the ribs in place as we prepare the sides for fastening to the top and the back. So here I'm inserting some handmade wooden pins. have the back, and I've been spending quite some time making this back fit to this flat piece of wood. This flat piece of wood will be the top, but this is what makes handmade instruments so much better than manufactured, is because we take the time to make each piece fit the next piece. So I'm fitting this part that we've made already to this piece, and once I have it fit well, then I will cut out the top and start working on it. Now to some harp work. You'll see some lathe work, some wood burning, and some carving. And for the end of the week. Well, here we are, the end of a week again. And here's the progress on the violin. This next week we hope to be carving out the scroll, and there's the tools we'll be needing. And then also cutting out the top for the violin. Then over on this side is the progress on the harp. We have most of the pieces ready, so we'll need to varnish the pieces, and then we can put this all together. And a long-awaited package just arrived. Okay, you guys, this all came at the very end of the week, so I don't have a chance to get it out till next week. So next week, we'll see what it is. If you already know, put your comments below. Ata seter. Li Mitsar, Tits Reini, Rane Palet, Tasov Veni Selah. You are my hiding place or secret place. For me, from trouble or distress, you deliver me. With a cry or a shout or a song of deliverance, you surround me. Selah. Thank you so much for watching, for your comments and your thumbs up. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.